Welcome back to Bill's Pre-K Tai Chi. This segment features the next 4 movements in Tai Chi, and it starts with where we left off with cock stands on left leg. So we're standing on my left leg, my right leg is up, I drop that down, pivot slightly to the left, extend my left hand out straight, dip, slide my right foot out and back, and now the snake is my right hand. It creeps down across my midriff. I open up my pelvis and pivot that right toe. Now I shift my weight all onto that right leg and I adjust my back foot as I do that. Now at this point, I now shift back slightly, pivot the toe further, push down with the right hand, cock stands on right leg. I can now empty step out to the left. I hold the ball with the right hand in the bottom, all my weight's on my left, empty step to the right, Fair Lady works the shuttles to the right. I shift my weight back, all my weight goes to the right, I hold the ball with the left hand on the bottom, step out, I'm protecting my hand with my head with the left, and I'm pushing the enemy with the right. Now look at the whole thing one more time without so much commentary. We start out with cock stands on left leg. I drop that down, extend the left arm, slide the right leg out. The snake creeps down the right leg. I shift that weight, pivot. I pivot the toe out. I push down, slide that left foot up, cock stands on right leg. Thank you for joining me on this segment and hope to see you at the next one.